Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be playing some Minecraft, the Hive, what do you call it? That thing, hide and seek. That thing. That's totally hide and seek. That thing is hide and seek now. Don't even know where I'm meant to go for this parkour. Well, now I'm down here. Let's vote for a map. Okay. Okay, let's go furnace. Ah! Ah! What's going on? Alright, so I'm a furnace. I need to find somewhere where a furnace can rest without being noticed. Okay, I'm now hidden. Hope I don't get found. Sorry about that, guys. I had a really quick interruption. Anyway, so let's just try and stay here. Ah! No! As soon as I say that, I die. That's not fair. Oh, I've got a shield. Okay, what even is that? Alright, let's get up here. Can't see anyone so far. Not very good at this. Okay, so there's... Okay. An anvil. No. No. There's a block of iron somewhere. There's 2 blocks of iron. Anvil, no. Anvil, no. Okay, books, no! This is gonna be really hard. Nope, I can't find it so far. Can't seem to find it. These guys have been hidden really well. Gee. Still wonder what that is. But, this is hard. We'll find it eventually. What? What is in this there? Why is there so much stuff just like half on the floor? This is confusing. Ah. Alright. So that one was a bit hard. That's okay. Alright, let's go. Hide and seek point 2. Alright, hospital. Sequoia Keep. I don't really care. Some guy flirting on this. Alright, let's get ready. No. What? Settings, achievements. Back to hub. Okay, there's not much. No! Keep pressing the wrong thing. No, come here. I'm gonna be a bookshelf this time. Alright. Oh. I should have chose the bookcase. What is this? It's all the bookshelves are in one big group. Oh, I almost used the taunt. Oh, he's gonna find me. Ah! I pressed the wrong button. Come on. Ah! Yeah, I know there's heaps of people down here. Alright, so that's 2 people. I know there's someone else here. Alright, I know there is someone else in here. Just can't remember where they were. There we go. Found him. That's all good, all good, all good. Alright, this room's clear. There's green clay. Hi. Alright, so reckon I'm pretty close, but okay, so it's green, stairs, and some leaves. What was that? What did he kill? Ah! Okay, so there might be in here. Oh, and I'm sorry for no intro. I don't know how to edit the intro in, because I don't have any editing software. So I'm sorry about that, folks. Hopefully next video I might find out how to do that. Otherwise... Ah, found it! Otherwise, ah, another one. Otherwise we can just, we won't have it. We won't have an intro until I figure out how to edit it in. But, yeah. Pretty simple. Well, I've got like 4 kills so far. It's just wood stairs, wood plank, and green clay. I know someone's moved from here, but where to? That's suspicious. Because why is it there? Whatever. People make their choices. That was weird. That guy just ran straight into my face. 30 seconds. Ah, now I'm stuck. I know these guys are gonna win. These guys are good. Jeez, these guys are really good. Yeah. Alright, we'll play one more game and then I'll end it. So, yeah. Here we go. 2 more players to start. That's good. Almost there. Oh no. There. The funk place. Wah! Cactus. That's creepy. Alright, so 40 seconds till you select air blocks. Oh wait, what? What? Guess this goes. No, I don't care, Hive. Like, you want to get full servers today? Sign up for premium. I'm not signing up for premium. I want to be a brick. I want to be a brick. Central block 2 bricks. Alright, let's go. Let's see if there's anywhere a brick can hide. Hopefully there should. There we go. There's lots of brick. Like, I'd hide there, but that would be too obvious. Alright, oh, there you go, there's one of them. They're coming now. Alright. Oh, I'm a level 2 brick now. Wonder why. He's gonna come and kill me. Ah! Oh, they probably know this map. Whereas I'm just like, what is this? So not fair. I know where there was one guy. It was back where I was, so near here, yeah, okay. Go down here. Yeah, he was here. Hey. Cake. Well, now I got a shield again. That is very suspicious. But it's why? That's just why. And then the most obvious spots that actually different. It's actual people. But no one does that. I mean, the least obvious spots. There's someone just standing right there. So annoying. What? What, already? Jeez. That was fast. Oh, alright. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye. Ah! Why won't it stop recording? Okay. Bye.